Hello everyone. Imagine a future where a failing heart is no longer a death sentence. Instead of waiting for a donor, doctors could simply print a brand new heart tailored to the patient. Is this really possible? Yes, this is possible. In the year 2019, scientists in Israel have successfully printed a human heart. That means they have printed a heart using human cells. Though that heart couldn't beat, yet it has proved a historic moment in the world of regenerative medicine. Yes, no doubt it's a historic moment. Okay, so in the year 2019, that means just 6 years back from now, this is 2025. So they have printed a heart using human cells. Yes, human cells are required for the printing. Actually, what is the requirement? A requirement is bioinks. So what are bioinks? Bioinks are a mixture of cells, living cells, no doubt living cells. Okay, they must be living cells. So bioinks are a mixture of living cells and biomaterials. Those are called bioinks, and those bioinks are used for the purpose of printing, and here in this case this printing is called bioprinting. So by using this revolutionary technology, scientists are working in this field to produce not only heart but all the organs of human body. Already they have successfully achieved the aim of producing or printing tissues. So in the field of drug testing and research, they are using it successfully. The name of the technology is bioprinting technology. No doubt this is a breakthrough in the world of regenerative medicine. So what is the process actually? What are the steps involved in this bioprinting technology? First step is collection of cells. So if you consider only human body, then in that case living cells are collected. That means stem cells are used. Means stem cells are actually collected, or reprogrammed cells, to avoid rejection. What is the requirement of this? To print a heart. That is the requirement. I am right now talking about only heart. Okay, any organ can be printed by using this technology. So right now I am focusing only on heart. So stem cells or reprogrammed cells are collected, okay, to avoid rejection. Then a gel-like substance is mixed with the cells to produce bioinks for the purpose of bioprinting. Okay, then the bioprinter is used to produce the 3D structure of the heart, starting from blood vessels to the full organ, means full heart. And then the next step is what? Then that heart, the heart which has already been produced by using the bioprinter, that heart is placed in a controlled environment to develop and function properly. So these are the 4 steps involved in the process of bioprinting an organ, a full organ. And I have already mentioned that in 2019, scientists in Israel have successfully bioprinted a human heart using human cells. But that heart couldn't beat. So that means there are challenges. Okay, what are the challenges? The first challenge is creating networks of blood vessels. creating networks of blood vessels to carry oxygen and nutrients, because blood vessels are required to carry oxygen and nutrients. Next is the blood should means that should beat properly to pump blood. Okay, that means proper coordination is required for the produced or the printed heart. And next one is the third challenge is what? Third challenge is keeping the tissues, means heart has been produced by using tissues. So keeping those tissues alive for long time, that is a major challenge. And not only that, one more thing is involved there, that is integrating that produced or printed heart into the human body. That is a major challenge. No doubt progress is rapid, and that's why scientists are expecting, means they actually believe that in the next 10 to 20 years we would be able to see this technology in hospitals. And that time, organ transplantation won't be a problem at all. Donors won't be required. Whatever be your organ, if your organ is in need for replacement, then that is easily possible. That would become easily possible, because progress is rapid, and that's why scientists are expecting so. Just in the next 10 to 20 years, we could see this technology in use. Okay, so that time donors won't be required at all. Anyway, so what? So this was all about today's topic. And if you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe for more science content. See you in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.